Hey guys, this is Victor with DIY Time, and today I'm replacing a shifter knob on my 2007 Nissan Altima. My old one got really beat up and it got very sticky from sitting on the sun, so I'm gonna replace it with this nice stitched leather one. And if you're interested where I got it, I'm gonna post a link in the description below. The replacement process is very simple and easy. First, you're gonna need to pull down the plastic piece on the bottom of the shifter knob. Next, use a hook tool or small flathead screwdriver and remove the metal retainer clip. Now you should be able to pull off the shifter knob and the plastic cover piece. To install the new shifter knob, first disconnect and install the plastic cover piece. Remove the retainer clip. Install the shifter knob and replace the retainer clip. And finally connect the plastic cover piece. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.